We continue the transfer functions in chapter 6, and now we go to put to the test, and we go to finish this function. And first we have to make sure the only owners or the approved address can transfer it. So let's define the mappings some be approvals. So we can copy the previous mapping. Maybe this is here. So now we copy this and we map the uint to an address. So we can copy this, and this time he do not mention that we have to add the public. So we can delete the public and we paste the some be approvals. So this is the first mapping, and the next part is add the require statement. So let's add the require statement to transfer from, and there is two require. One is the some be to owners is the message.sender. So who called this should be the owner, or this is approved, or the approved address. So now we can use these two mapping and create a require. So the first require is some be to owner, and paste to here, and we pass the token ID, and which is equal message.sender. And the second part is some be approvals, and then we pass the token ID, and then equal to message.sender, and then we check the answer. So we forgot to add the transfer functions, so we have to call the transfer functions, and then we pass the from, to, and also the token ID. So we copy this and paste to here, and add semicolon, and try again. So we can go to the next chapter.